Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 console to your iMac computer. This process allows you to use your iMac as a display for your gaming console, providing a larger screen experience. We will go through the essential equipment you need, the physical connection process, and the necessary software setup. By the end of this guide, you will be all set to enjoy your favorite PlayStation 5 games on your desktop display. To begin, you will need a few key items to bridge the connection between your PlayStation 5 and your iMac. The most important piece is an high-definition multimedia interface to Universal Serial Bus C capture card, which converts the console's video signal for your computer. You will also need a standard high-definition multimedia interface cable, ideally one supporting 4K resolution at 120 Hz for optimal picture quality. Lastly, ensure your iMac has a stable and fast internet connection, as some software steps might require it. Now, let's establish the physical connection between your devices. First, take one end of your high-definition multimedia interface cable and plug it securely into the high-definition multimedia interface out port on the back of your PlayStation 5 console. Next, connect the other end of that same cable into the high-definition multimedia interface input port on your capture card. Finally, use the capture card's built-in Universal Serial Bus C cable to connect the capture card to any available Universal Serial Bus C or Thunderbolt port on your iMac. This completes the hardware setup. With the hardware connected, it is time to set up the software. Download and install the specific capture software recommended by your capture card's manufacturer, such as OBS Studio or Elgato Game Capture. Once installed, launch the application and navigate to its source settings to select your capture card as the video input. You should then see your PlayStation 5's display on your iMac screen. Now, power on your console, grab your controller, and dive into your favorite games with an enhanced visual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.